It is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a half kneeling, single arm landmine shoulder press. To start, you're going to need a barbell, and if you don't have a landmine attachment, I usually just throw my barbell into a secure corner. Come into a half kneeling position. If your right knee is back, that's the arm that we're going to be using to work. Pick up the barbell in your one hand, and you're going to hold your barbell so that your fingers are towards the top of the barbell. Elbow is going to be nice and tight next to your ribs. Half kneel, pressing your weight into your front heel. Now you're going to squeeze your core tight, pulling your shoulder blade back and fully extending that elbow all the way up, leaning forward into that press. And there you have it. That is a half kneeling, single arm landmine shoulder press.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys.